the old or some of the household has to give old appliances, and they're the one who are selling it to the scalp iron area.
What did you say the name of this place was again?
Corellia.
Aurelia.
Mm.
Cornelia. Okay.
No, Corellia.
Aurelia.
There's also Corellia in Mindanao.
Yeah.
No? Huh? Di ba na?
Nabunturan.
Kabunturan,
Nabunturan.
Nabunturan,
Yung Korean.
Neo Corellia. Nabunturan.
Can you tell us about it in Tagalog too?
Hmm?
Can you tell us about it in Tagalog too?
Yung Tagalog daw pag
Tagalog sa?
yung Tagalog daw pag explain.
Mag-Tagalog.
Tagalog siguro pag explain.
Mas gusto mo Tagalog, sir? Okay.
I mean, ang gusto niya, English niya po din, Tagalog din daw po.
Okay. Mas gusto niya matutong Matagalog.
Gusto niya kasi matutong mag-Tagalog.
Okay. Okay.
You don't want it to be in Bisaya?
Bisaya's fine too. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Do it in Bisaya. You're right. Yeah.
When we're going there, yun sa amin is, papunta na tayo doon. Paingon na kami dito. Ayan na dito. Ayan.
We're going there.
We're going there.
Yeah. You can tell it in Bisaya.
Yeah. And you say, kumusta? How are you?
Almost
How are you?
Yeah. That's the easy one. Yeah. I got that one down.
The kumusta is same as Tagalog and Bisaya. The Tagalog and Bisaya is almost a little the same.
Yeah. It's just like Spanish.
That's just like Spanish. The numbering in Bisaya for Spanish is we still use until now the uno, dos, tres. But in Tagalog,
Well, it's just,
isa, dalawa, tatlo. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima. Sa amin is uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Pag Bisaya is usa, duha, tulo. This sounds like the Tagalog and Bisaya is
just some of the people who would watch my videos, you know, they may not speak all English or English that well. So I thought maybe you could say some things in Bisaya as well.
You're a vlogger, sir.
Yes.
So we're now going here at the Tertiary Sanctuary. Paingon na ta dito sa Tertiary Sanctuary. Papunta na tayo dito. Sa ngayon, ito yung entrance natin. So we have to get our tickets here. And we have to walk up to 10 minutes from here going there. For now, we have to stop there to get our tickets. For the senior citizen, they can ride the golf cart. So may isa lang sa ngayon, isa lang golf cart nila.
I'm 34. I'm almost 34. Do I qualify as a senior?
Senior is
Oh, yeah.
60.
Oh man,
You're half.
How old are you, sir?
34.
34.
Almost 34. How about that?
You're too young.
Yeah, too young. All right. Well,
Okay, so there are also videos
We're gonna
there.
get checked
While
in.
I'm getting the ticket, you can watch the 5 minutes video.
we'll do.